Hello there. If you're searching for a reliable and convenient residential dumpster rental in Bowling Green, Kentucky, you're in the right place. Today, we bring you Silver Creek Rentals, your trusted partner that provides hassle-free waste disposal. Silver Creek Rentals is where convenience meets quality service. Let's take a closer look at what makes them the top choice for residential dumpster rentals in Bowling Green, Kentucky. With a commitment to serving the Bowling Green community, Silver Creek Rentals has been providing high-quality residential dumpster rental services for years. They understand that your home projects deserve the best disposal solutions. Silver Creek Rentals is dedicated to customer satisfaction, a range of dumpster sizes to fit any residential project, and a seamless rental process. Whether you have small renovations or major cleanouts, they have the perfect dumpster for you. For all your residential dumpster rental needs in Bowling Green, Kentucky, choose the convenience and reliability of Silver Creek Rentals. You can call them today at 270-221-8600 or visit www.silvercreekrentals.com. For hassle-free waste disposal in Bowling Green, Kentucky, choose Silver Creek Rentals, where convenience meets quality. Keep your home projects stress-free with Silver Creek Rentals.